Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to take a break from Facebook? Deactivating your account is a straightforward process that you can do right on your iPhone. Follow these simple and easy steps to deactivate your Facebook account quickly and effortlessly. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Facebook app. Tap the Facebook app icon on your iPhone to open it. Next, you access the setting. Tap the three horizontal line in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, navigate to account setting. Scroll down and tap on setting and privacy, then tap setting. Now, click on personal details under the account center. Next, you tap on personal details and then click on the account ownership and control. Here, you'll find two options of memorization or deactivation or deletion. Click on deactivation. If you have two accounts linked together, like your Facebook and Instagram, click on the Facebook account. Now you can either deactivate your account or you delete it totally. Next, you choose deactivate account. Select deactivate account and then tap continue to account deactivation. You will need to enter your password. After this, Facebook will prompt you to enter your password for security purpose. Enter your password and tap continue. They might ask you to provide a reason. This is optional. Facebook will ask you to provide a reason for deactivating your account. You can choose a reason from the list or select others. Now, you can confirm deactivation. After selecting a reason, scroll down and tap deactivate to confirm. Your account will be deactivated immediately. And finally, you'll be logged out of Facebook and your profile will no longer be visible to others. If you ever change your mind, you can always reactivate your account at any time by logging back in with your email and password. And that's it, guys. Deactivating your Facebook account on your iPhone is easy and quick. Enjoy your break from social media. And remember, you can always come back whenever you are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.